what I learned in my 20s. So these are the things which I learned in my 20 years of my age, and I'm so happy that I'm listing it down and I'm telling you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is patience. Patience, because you have to just be calm, be relaxed and take your decisions wisely and not be angry at all on all the time. So it has helped me a lot in my teenage years and also will help me in my future as well. So patience is one thing you all need to learn and just be happy about it. So the next thing is think bigger, because dreams do come true if you do the hard work and if you just don't go into the mentality of the people like if you're in a middle class family or if you're born in a rich family. It doesn't matter where you are born, which family you are born or which society you are being with. Dreams do come true. You have to think bigger, you have to do those things and just go on and show them your results, what you always wanted to do. The next thing which brings me up is that hard work always pays off. Now I don't want to list down explain this, because hard work do pay off. If you work hard for whatever the dream is, then it will pay off at one point in your life, and it has paid off me as well. So yeah. Next is don't give free advices to people, because I feel people will take you granted for what you tell them, and also just free advices for other people also. Just don't interfere in other people's life. Just do what you want to do in your life as well. Which comes up to the next is stop piling up your emotions. If you ever want to cry in your life, cry if you want and just let it out so it goes off from you. Even if you are going through something very bad and for example a bad breakup or something like that, cry if you want to. Just let out your emotions and don't pile it up so it becomes more burden on yourself itself. The next is don't be dependent on others. Do your work by yourself and just complete yourself by your work. Which comes to the next point, that is motivation always comes from within yourself and not from others. No matter how others motivate you or how matter others push you, you need to feel motivated within yourself and just do your work on your own and just be like, yes, I'll do it, I'll overcome it and I'll just finish it off. Next is stop chasing people. It's okay to grow apart from some people. It's okay to exclude the toxic people from your life. Let's just be like yours and just surround yourself with positive minds and just positive vibes at all. Which comes up to the next point, that is stop explaining your decisions to others. And I don't want to explain anything under this, because I feel this sentence is enough for you to understand that stop explaining your decisions to others. The next is being rich with kindness. If you have anything enough for yourself, then share it with others. In this particular world, if you ever want to be something, be kind to others, be kind to your family, for your surrounding, for everybody. Which comes to the next point, that is don't hide your flaws. If you have any flaws in you, try to flaunt it rather than just feel like, oh, it's a flaw, you should hide it. Don't hide your flaws. You should be appreciated and just flaunt it yourself. The next is everything happens for a reason, and I feel like whatever we do in life, it happens for a reason. If we are going through something, it happened, it was written in the destiny and it was yet to happen, and just like it happened. Moving forward, we have praise your struggle. Even while you're struggling, you feel bad, why am I struggling in this particular life? When always praise it and try to appreciate yourself in your struggle itself. I will do it and I will be on the other side of the line, successful one day and having the lifestyle what you want in life. Next is never give up, and it's fighting for what you want in life and just struggling and just hustling every day, every night for whatever your dream is in life. Next is overcoming the fear of failure. It is very important in life to overcome the fear of failure, because we always have these things in our mind. What if we fail in our exams? What if we don't get good marks in our exam? And what if something happens? We tend to forget failure is always a part of our life, and we have to deal it, we have to overcome it and not just be no, I'm overcome it, you need to fight for it. And yeah, the next is, it is never too late to learn something in life. Whether you have failed to learn something, like if you wanted to do ever any activities in your life, like in your childhood or something like that, it is never too late to learn something. You're free at home, you're doing nothing, you're just in your quarantine, just in your lockdown. Try to do something innovative and just try to be yourself. It's never too late. Next is, be grateful. Be grateful for this day. Be grateful for your parents, for your friends, for your family, for your cousins, everybody, for your close ones, I would say, because God is there, and just have faith in Him and will overcome this thing very quickly. Next is, the best is yet to come, and we need to believe in it, we need to keep faith in it and just hope for the best. Last but not the least, we have fuck the world. This is the phase which one of my cousins told me, because I was like, so into other people's mentality, what others think about me, and my cousin was like, you should not care what the world says about you. You should only care what you think about yourself. It's your life and you have to live it as long as you are here. And this is a great piece of advice for everybody out there, because it has changed my life totally, and I feel even I can also change your life by saying this, that is, fuck the world. No matter what the world says about you, you don't have to keep an ear on them. Just ignore the society, the mentality of other people, and just be yourself, be in your own world, and not be in your own world, but be yourself and live your life completely. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you're gonna like this, and hope you're gonna, all you lovely people will gonna self-reflect on yourself, and just write down or list down the things what you feel, what you learned in your 20 years of age, and just be like happy about this thing. Appreciate those things, because these are the things we learn so quickly in life, and we just grew out from this thing. And I'm just so happy sharing my own experiences with you. That's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like this. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you get updated on more such videos. And just, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.